The Yau Ma Tei gym fire this week is just the latest in a string of blazes stretching back to last year. And although fires of this magnitude have been rare in the city, the recent spate of serious conflagrations highlights the critical need for comprehensive fire insurance coverage. Fire insurance is a type of insurance specifically designed to protect your property against losses due to fire risks. This coverage can be extended to include additional associated risks or perils, including flooding, landslip or subsidence, and even earthquakes. It is important to note that for private homes, it is normally only the owner of a property who needs to purchase fire insurance protection. This is due to the fact that fire insurance is designed, at its core, to provide financial assistance towards rebuilding and repair costs in the aftermath of a fire event. The purchase of fire insurance will normally be a condition of receiving a mortgage in Hong Kong, as many banks will not finalize property loans without this form of coverage in place. However, not all fire insurance is the same, and some plans may be more comprehensive than others. For example, it is possible to obtain fire insurance coverage on an all-risk basis in Hong Kong. Property all-risk protection will extend fire coverage beyond simple fire, and offers you coverage against the risks you may face with regards to your property, no matter what they may be. This type of protection is more common for shops and businesses in Hong Kong and offers coverage against things like flooding during black rainstorm warnings or wind causing damage to the external structure of your building during a typhoon. In some cases, it is possible to receive limited fire and allied perils insurance protection through a home contents policy, even if you do not own the property where you live. For tenants, this coverage is crucial as it safeguards personal belongings, furniture, and electronic equipment against damage or loss due to fire. While the building may itself be insured by the landlord, the contents and personal belongings inside are typically the tenant's responsibility. Further to this, a home contents insurance plan may include coverage that allows you to find alternative living arrangements in the aftermath of a fire or similar event, which makes your home unlivable. For example, there may be significant smoke damage from a recent fire in a neighboring unit or flat, which necessitates you finding a hotel for a week or two while that gets cleaned up. For businesses and companies, office contents insurance operates on a similar principle, but is tailored to meet the needs of the commercial operations. This type of insurance can cover office equipment, inventory, furniture, and even loss of income due to business interruption caused by fire damage. Coverage of this type can be particularly valuable for small to medium-sized enterprises in Hong Kong, where the cost of replacing specialized equipment or recovering lost inventory can be prohibitive. The tragic Yau Ma Tei gym fire following from last year's Mariners Club fire should serve as a wake-up call to residents and businesses, and underscore the unpredictable nature of fire risks and the devastation they can cause. Taking steps to secure your property and mitigate the ability of fire to spread is key as a first step in ensuring that you are protected against the financial results of a fire if and when it occurs. However, your safety precautions may not be enough. With the densely populated nature of Hong Kong, a single fire can spread quickly despite safety and security measures in place. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.